In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the inspector panel in Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance your website design experience on Wix, understanding how to utilize the inspector panel effectively can unlock a whole new level of creativity and customization. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up Wix Studio. Once you're in the interface, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout if you're not already familiar. Now, you'll want to select an element on your web page. This could be anything from a text box to an image or a button. Simply click on the element you want to work with. After you've done that, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. Here, you should notice an arrow symbol prominently displayed. This is your gateway to the inspector panel, so go ahead and click on the arrow to open it. Now that you have the inspector panel open, you're stepping into what can be considered the control center for styling your chosen element. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can personalize your element with a variety of styling options. You might want to adjust the font to better suit your overall design aesthetic. Dealing with spacing? No problem. You can refine that here too. Plus, if you're in the mood to experiment with different visual effects, you can play around with blend modes and colors. This panel is quite robust, allowing you to fine-tune your element's appearance to your heart's content. So far, we've focused on the static design aspects. But Wix Studio also offers dynamic enhancements to really make your site pop. Look for the lightning button in the inspector panel. This feature is particularly exciting because it opens up the realm of animations. Adding animations can bring a dynamic, engaging flair to your site, effectively capturing the attention of your audience. Take some time to explore the multiple animation options available. Whether you want subtle movements or bold transitions, the possibilities are plentiful. And that brings us to the end of our tour of the inspector panel in Wix Studio. Using these tools, you have the power to transform your web page from standard to standout. My recommendation is to experiment with different combinations of styles and animations until you find what feels just right for your vision. Website design should be an enjoyable and creative process, so embrace the freedom that these features provide. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now feeling more confident in using the inspector panel to enhance your Wix Studio designs. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, happy designing.